Hi, so today we're going to go over solving some geometry problems, and we're going to start out with perimeter. Now, there are some formulas for perimeter that you might see for like a square it would be like 4s. Okay, so that basically means 4 times the side. So this would be a side, and it would be 2.5. Another one for rectangle is going to be 2 times length plus 2 times width. So you would do, this is a rectangle, 4 times 2, okay, and then 2 times 2, and then that would give you your answer. However, the much easier way is just to remember that you're adding all the sides of the outside. Perimeter just means the outside. So if you add all of the outsides, now don't mind my crude drawings over here. I'm not an artist, so I apologize for that. These are not to scale and they might look a little weird, but I'm hoping that you'll get the gist of what we're talking about here. So let's start this one. This is a triangle. To get the perimeter of this triangle, you're just going to add all of the sides. 10 plus 5 plus 5. This would be 20, okay? And it could be inches, centimeters, whatever it is here. For this lesson, we'll just say that we're working with inches, okay? And then let's try this one over here, okay? Now this has 20 on one side, 10, 10, and 10. So we're going to add all of those sides, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this would be 50. Okay. Now we have this other kind of weird one here because it's a rectangle, but they've only given you 2 sides. Well, if you know what a rectangle is, you know that this side is the same as this side, and this side is the same as this side. So you can fill these in just by knowing 2 of the sides. So now we have 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12. Okay, 4 plus 4 is 8, and then 2 plus 2 is 4, that equals 12. Okay, so let's do the square over here. So our square is 2.5. They've only given us one side. But what's special about a square? It's that all the sides are equal. So you really have 2.5 here, 2.5 here, 2.5 here. So you can add up all the sides or do 2.5 times 4, however you want to do it. But if this type of stuff confuses you, just keep with adding all the sides so you don't have to put in any multiplication in there. 2.5, 5, 7.5, and 10. So this would be 10 total. Okay. And then our last one's going to be this funky shape here. Okay. Again, all you're doing is adding all of the sides. I have 7 here and 5 here. That's 12. Plus 3 is 15, and then plus 5, this shape would be 20. Okay, so that's all there really is to perimeter. The only exception to this for shapes, as far as at this level that we're doing now, when you get into higher math levels and higher geometry levels, it will not be as simplistic as it is right here. But for this level that we are doing right now, you can just add all sides for all of them, with the exception of a circle. The circle's perimeter is actually the circumference, and that is figured out differently. So for any other shape, for the purposes of what we're learning right now, you can just add all sides for all shapes with the exception of a circle. I hope this helps.